Here I have a mosquito bat, and in this video I am going to show you easiest and fastest way to troubleshoot a mosquito bat. There are already many videos on mosquito bat repairing, but most of them tell the process which is either too technical or too lengthy. Most common issue with mosquito bat is that after using it for some time, it loses its spark. That is, it starts giving low power spark. This mosquito bat also has same issue. Let me show you how it's working currently. So you can see the spark is not that powerful. There can be many different reasons for such issue. Like, it could be problem with capacitor, transistor, transformer or diode. So let's first open this racket and start troubleshooting. And one suggestion I would like to give: when you are using a multimeter to troubleshoot a mosquito racket, always be cautious that it is turned off. Otherwise, you can easily damage your multimeter. Before opening the mosquito racket, turn it off. I just forgot to turn it off, but I will do it right now. And second most important thing is to discharge any current left in capacitor. For that, just make contact of a conductor, maybe a screwdriver, with the net or two terminal of the main capacitor on the top side. Now let me take out the PCB and turn it around. I won't go deep into technical parts because there are plenty of videos on YouTube explaining that. My focus is to show easy and less technical way to troubleshoot mosquito bat. But still, let me give you overview of a mosquito bat circuit. One is charging part, which converts AC current to DC current when we connect it to power supply and charge it. This 4-volt battery gets charged that time. Second part handles the DC to AC conversion. It converts 4-volt battery to 100-volt AC current. The transistor and transformer handles that part. Third part generates high voltage. It takes 100 volt and converts it to 2000 volt. So, it basically multiplies voltage and thus is called voltage multiplier. Now, after having the overview, we are ready to discuss the troubleshooting part. So let's start troubleshooting with the middle part, that is transformer. On right side of transformer, there is charging circuit, and on left side of transformer, there is voltage multiplier. So we can say that transformer is the middle part. Now, if problem was with the right side circuit, then battery voltage would have behaved weird, like either it won't charge or it will charge and discharge very fast. It's very easy to find out the battery issues, and with this circuit I haven't made any such observations, so there is no battery issue. So let's focus on troubleshooting the middle part of mosquito bat. Here I have a neon bulb. This type of neon bulb you can easily get on seealsob.com at a very reasonable price and is very useful to troubleshoot AC circuits. You can find link in description. Remember, our issue is that mosquito bat is not giving enough spark. So first I will turn on the racket and then make two terminals of bulb touch two terminals of transformer that is connected to voltage multiplier circuit. If the neon bulb glows brightly, then there is no issue with the transformer and circuit below transformer. We can say that middle part and the lower part is okay, and the issue is with the upper part. Let's once again do test with the neon light. Again, the neon light is glowing brightly. So, we conclude that middle part and the lower part is working okay. Let me give you overview of voltage multiplier circuit. The voltage multiplier circuit used here mainly consists of 4 capacitors and 3 diodes. One big red capacitor stores high voltage and other blue capacitors are used to multiply voltage. Diodes give right direction to the flow of current. Let's quickly test diodes and capacitors with multimeter. Again, before using multimeter, be sure that there is no current in the circuit and current is completely discharged. Now let's test this big red capacitor used to store current with help of multimeter. So this is showing capacitance of 22.6 nanofarad, which looks okay. Now let's test other blue capacitors. This one blue capacitor is showing capacitance of 3.34 nanofarad, which is okay. Again, this another blue capacitor is showing capacitance of 3.34, which is again okay. Let's check capacitance of third blue capacitor. This is showing capacitance of 0.12, again which looks okay to me. Now let's test the diodes. Let's put multimeter in continuity mode and let's test this first diode. So this first diode is showing 1.58. So this looks okay to me. Let's check another diode. This one is also showing 1.58. Let's check the third diode. So this one is also showing 1.58. So it seems all the components are good. What I suspect is that capacitance of the capacitor has decreased. So what we will do is that we will add one more capacitor, and I think that should boost the power of spark. If you want to get this capacitor, you can get it from calsob.com, link in description. In this mosquito bat, we have a LED torch light, which is not much of use